Yo, guys, it gets to a point we gotta call Nike out on their BS, call a spade, and this is not the first time we have seen Nike playing literally right in our faces. We gotta talk about in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, pulling up, seeing what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And again, we're talking about Nike and their tactics, their techniques to kind of build some hype, kind of build some momentum before release. And yo, this is not the first time we've seen this. We gotta be real in the comment section about what Nike's doing. And I want to say hello to all my haters, man. Hello, how you doing? I'm living a good life, and I'm over here chopping with my supporters. And I know you hate to see it, but hey, I love it. I love you all, and I hope y'all are having a great day. This is a message to all my haters, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you guys run them likes up, bro. Every single like counts. It helps the YouTube channel grow, and this shows YouTube guys are enjoying the content. Some things I have been seeing lately is that a lot of people have not been getting notifications across YouTube. I seen like a reel, I seen a couple of videos, people talking about it, but it is what it is. If you guys do not have the notification bell on, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all notice. And a lot of people was asking me about my sneaker collection video. I dropped it in my community tab, so you got to go check out the community tab, kind of see me selling all the sneakers out of my collection. For a lot of people that have been asking and inquiring about it, so hey, I'm gonna leave that out there for y'all. Yo, guys, now I have to spin the block and kind of add this part in here, so do not judge me. But I missed yesterday's Send of the Day, but today I did have on that Mancera Instant Crusher, which crazy is I had this for a very long time. Haven't been really wearing it a lot, but still definitely a banger in my opinion. It's not that expensive either, so it's definitely one of the ones that I would recommend for people to grab. If you're on a budget, you don't want to spend $800, this is definitely right here a banger set in my honest opinion, man. That Mancera Instant Crush, hey, I love it, man. All right, so earlier today, we got a lot of, mixed rumors, mixed information about a particular sneaker, and that is the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. I think they right there. I think I could probably see them right there. The Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. We seen that was going to be a shock drop. We heard that was going to be a shock drop on the Nike sneakers app, and long behold, that it wasn't even for the US. It was for EU. It's for Europe. It's for everybody on that side of the water. You feel me? And I have seen stuff like this from Nike in the past. We've seen it with the Air Jordan 5 Tokyos. We've seen it with a couple other releases where they're trying to build some type of hype, some type of momentum for the sneaker, and it all makes sense, bro. You cannot sit here and tell me that you don't think Nike did this on purpose. That is a couple billion dollar corporation, and you telling me that they're gonna send US members a shock drop notification on accident? Come on, y'all. Y'all can't be that naive and that, kind of, we just gotta be real, bro. They did that on purpose because they starting to see people talking about the sneaker squeaking. They're seeing people talking about the bad quality in the shoes and stuff like that, which I don't think it's a bad quality sneaker. I know it squeaks and stuff like that. I know it looks a little ashy, but in person, they do look a lot better. I'm telling you, they look a lot better in hand. I don't think the cameras and the lighting and stuff is doing it justice, but it looks just like the 2020 pair, the 2021 pair in that aspect. The only thing is the older pair doesn't squeak as much. So Nike is seeing all this. They seeing the reviews, the early reviews from people. I dropped a TikTok over the Air Jordan 4 squeakers, and I'm telling you, it was a lot of interaction. A lot of people like, yo, are they really squeaking? And some people saying they're not gonna squeak when you throw them on feet. They shouldn't squeak at all, man. And again, I am not trying to bash the sneaker because me, myself, I am going to get a pair of the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. Like, it's going to happen. They're going to come to the collection, so I'm not knocking this shoe at all. But they're squeaking. Like, I don't think they should squeak, but they are. So, of course, it's going to make headlines. People are going to talk about it. But yeah, Nike did this on purpose, bro. They did it on purpose. And I think it all played in their favor. Like, they did this little fake shock drop for the US. People was excited for it. There's a lot of people like, oh, hold on, when does it happen? It's happening in an hour, and it never happens. So they see people, they see the interaction, they see all the traction that went to the sneakers app during that time. I guarantee that all this on purpose, kind of, see and check the temperature of how the race is going to go for Black Friday. Now again, I had to grab my 2020 pair, and just looking at them on camera, they look ashy, they look dusty and stuff like that, but in hand they look 10 times better, I promise you guys. And this is the 2020 pair. Ain't no squeaks and stuff like that. You guys can see me kind of squeezing them and stuff like that. The 2025 pair, on the other hand, them joints was going crazy. And I'm put like a little clip in here so you guys can see. But again, I'm going to cop a new pair. I'm going to cop a fresh pair because I do like the Nike Air in the back. And this pair right here, the Black Cat 4s in 2020, is still going for like $700, which is crazy. I don't know why. So I might let these go and just grab a new pair of the new Black Cats. I don't know why I wouldn't. So if anybody want these, hey, I hit your point of vintage up, man. Out with the old, in with the new. And again, hey, that's just kind of how my motto has been lately, man. But you guys got to be real with me in the comment section. Do you think that this was really an accidental thing on Nike's behalf? Or you kind of, in my standpoint and kind of viewpoint of things, I think they did it on purpose. They did it intentionally. And I think they seen all the early hype that this shoe has gotten. Well, kind of the early slack, the early, you know, reviews into kind of the hype fest when you heard about the shock drop. They did it all on purpose, bro. And they're still going to sell out, in my opinion. The Air Jordan 4 Black Cats are going to sell out. I guarantee y'all that, bro. I don't see them sitting. I don't see them sitting. I could be wrong. I've been wrong a lot of times in my life. But I think the Black Cat 4 is going to sell out just like the pair released in 2020, bro. It's an all black shoe. It's during December, during Christmas, during holiday seasons. You got those and the Gammas. I don't see why they would be sitting, bro. The only thing I could see is the squeaking part. But it's still a fire pair, bro. Still a fire pair. You know, if you take away the squeaking part, squeaking aspect of it. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Not gonna hold you guys up too long today. Just want to talk about some of the latest news we have gotten recently, and it is the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats that we were supposed to get a shock drop on. It ain't happening again. I've been saying it for a minute. Like, when are we gonna see a real shock drop? We still haven't seen one. There was a couple of onesies and twosies this year, but we ain't got none for no like major releases. We didn't get one for the White Cement 4s, if I'm not mistaken. We ain't get one for the Black Cat 4s. We ain't get one for the Gamma 11s as of now. But it would be nice to see something, bro. It would be nice to see something. Of course, especially heading into Black Friday and Christmas time frame. Why wouldn't y'all do a shock drop, Nike? Why not? But again, man, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy The Vintage, man. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.